we are going to use our Dash rapid egg cooker, and we are going to make a quick little omelet. Don't forget a little bit of oil in it. Just wipe it around in there. Don't want it sticking. Okay, I got 2 large eggs in the bowl already beat up. And I got some delicious yellow bell pepper and a little bit of red onion. I don't want to put too much. And I got some quesadilla cheese. It's a primo. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit of that in there. And then stir it in really well. Get that cheese separated up. Going to fill it up to the omelet, since I am using large eggs still, and it seemed to need a little bit of extra water when I was doing the poached eggs. Since I use large eggs, I will just go a little bit over that line to do the omelet, and also since I put in the extra ingredients, which is kind of bulking it up a little bit. So we'll go ahead and put a little bit over that mark and see what we got. Mark is right there, and it's probably 1/8 of an inch above it. Put that in the bottom of the pan. Set that lid on there, and there we go. We'll let it cook, and we'll come back and see how it turned out. Alright, there goes the alarm. Let's go ahead and check this out. Oh, definitely fluffed up. It's nice and hot, so I don't want to burn my fingers. Let's go ahead and check that out. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Oh, you can see the cheese stringing across it. Let's taste that. It's pretty interesting how it made it. Delicious. It's really interesting how it made it puff up like that. Delicious. Oh my goodness. Right, y'all. As you can see, it definitely makes great omelets. I could have added a little more cheese to that, actually. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.